If you haven't picked up your old Game Boy in a while, or maybe your Wii U controller, you probably noticed that there's going to be some battery corrosion in there. Well, I'm gonna show you how to clean it out. For this project, you'll need vinegar, rubbing alcohol, and a Q-tip. Pour the vinegar in a cap, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna dip the Q-tip into the vinegar and start rubbing it across where the corroded areas are. If you start hearing a sizzling sound, that's okay. That's just the vinegar doing its work. Keep rubbing all parts of where the corrosion is. You may have to do it a few times. I actually went through about 4 or 5 Q-tips with this project. So just take your time. For the harder areas, I used a flathead screwdriver just to rub off any corrosion that was harder to get to with my Q-tip. When using a screwdriver, just make sure to be very gentle. You don't want to end up damaging your device. Use a paper towel to wipe off any excess vinegar or corrosion. After you clean out all the corroded areas with the vinegar, switch to the alcohol to clean out the vinegar. If this video was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe.